Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Mobox on PC. If you're using Mobox on your PC and want to withdraw your Mobox tokens or NFT to your personal crypto wallet, this quick guide will walk you through every step by step. Mobox is a blockchain gaming and DeFi platform built on Binance Smart Chain BSC, where users earn rewards like MBOX tokens and NFT called Momos. To fully control your asset, you may want to withdraw them to your own wallet such as MetaMask. So let's get started. First, open any of the Google browser and in the top over here type down mobox.io and enter it. And make sure to connect your wallet and go to the official Mobox website here. Make sure your wallet is set to the BSC Binance Smart Chain network. And after that, you can go to your asset or the wallet section in the top right corner here. And over here, you can find this. Here you'll see the balances to your MBOX, MEC, BNB. Simply select any of this wallet that you want to withdraw. Over here, if you find any of the withdraw, you can enter the amount you want to withdraw, confirm the destination wallet address, usually the connected wallet, and always double check the wallet address. Crypto transfers cannot be reversed. And the transaction will process on the Binance Smart Chain. It usually takes a few minutes. You can check your wallet transaction history. And that is it. That's how you withdraw from the Mobox on PC in just a few minutes. Thank you for watching this video. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.